Okay, so the time now is 5:30. The time now is 5:30. Let's begin lesson. Children, happy National Day, Singapore. Oh, Singapore, sunny island, just for you and me. Out of tune. Hey, hello, Lavanya. Hi. Okay, so happy National Day, children. Thanks for coming for lesson. I know tomorrow is a public holiday. Have a good rest tomorrow, okay? Okay, so let me go into our first homework questions from last week first. All right, this was the homework question from last week. All right, can all of you try and at least maybe one or two of you log in and give me the answer for this question first. Hello, Lavanya. Hello, Caleb. Welcome back. Can you hear me better, Caleb? Hello, Evan. Hello, Wen-Xing. Yeah, so just now I was wishing everybody a National Day. I was singing to them, "This is home, truly." Da, 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 da. Sorry. Yeah. So happy National Day, children. And can I just say something? I think you students, right? You all gave me a very good National Day present. You know that? The reason why, right, is because, right, from about 14 students, right, I got more than 7 entries of homework. Thank you so much, children. This is one of the most, man. So I got entry by Caleb, Lavanya, by Shiloh, Chi-En. All of you actually handed in your worksheet. Thank you so much. All right, so this is the week that many of you attempted the worksheet. Thank you. That is a very good National Day present for me. Woo! All right, so today I'm wearing red.
I just log in and relog in. It's still not working.
Okay, then you might want to go to a spot whereby it it's a better Wi-Fi. The rest can hear me. Evan, can you hear me loud and clear? Wen-Xing can hear me? Yeah, so sorry, Caleb. I think the connection problem might be from your area. So you might want to move to an area which is stronger. And children, yes, Lavanya, I got your answer for this question. All right, you are the only one who submitted, is it? Hey, the rest, anyone? Yeah, Ava, you never do your homework, still there to say. You never do the worksheet, still there to say. Yeah, can you please try to attempt the worksheet in future? Can? Sorry?
Mr. Ban, I think it's my speakers. It's not working properly.
Okay, so maybe do you have another headphone or something like that? Do you have another computer or maybe another iPad to log in? I'm so sorry, I don't know how to help you. Evan, why? What's up? You want to say something? How can you never do the worksheet? No, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, seriously. Sorry, I cannot hear you, Evan. There's nothing coming from your mouth. I think your speaker got problem. Yeah. But you can hear me, right, Evan? Yeah, okay, can. Then it's okay. Seriously, because yeah, never mind. Oh, Shani's busy. Okay. Can? Okay, come, children. This question. Very easy question. Only Lavanya give me the answer. Right, go to the chat. Go to the chat and give me the answer. Another student, please. Go to the chat and give me the answer, please. All right, Evan, you say that you did the homework. Okay, good. I think you printed out. All right, you printed out and you did it, is it? Okay. Ah, you didn't? Then how do you do the homework? Lavanya, your answer is correct. Sorry, I haven't tell you yet. Yeah, correct. Good job, Lavanya. All right, any more? Shiloh, Shanice, can you please try? All right, this was the homework from last week. Run question as a homework from last week. All right, can you please go to the chat and key in your answer, please? Thank you. All right, Lavanya got the answer already. I just need another student, please. Hey, Vanishna V. Wow, so Singapore flag. Yeah. Okay, check this out, children. Check. What do you see? You see my hand tattoo? Oi, Shanice also got hand tattoo. Nice. You see my hand tattoo? Love SG. Oh, yeah. Singapore. Oh, Singapore. Okay, come. Anyone, quick. Any answers? So I only got one answer from Lavanya. No more? Okay, anyone? Okay, come, let's read through the question together first. Ah, Shiloh, I saw your entry. I think, Shiloh, you missed out one step. Very good. I think you missed out one step. You must read the question carefully. All right, Shiloh, you are so close. Okay, come. In a class, 2/5 of the pupils like basketball. Children, I like you to make notice, right? I like you to pay notice to this word down here. All right. The fraction representing who? The pupils. Can you see that? Okay. Then 1/3, this fraction also is representing the same pupils. Can you see that? So are we talking about the same group of people? All right, we are talking about the same group of people. Correct or not? Same group of people, which is the what? Which is the pupils. Is that clear? All right. So if we are talking about the same group of people, right? This fraction here, 2/5 and 1/3, we must try to make the what? We must try to make the total, the denominator, the same number. All right, because it's the same group of people, it's easier to compare. So you use something called what? You use something called equivalent fraction. Remember equivalent fraction? You look at 5 and 3. 5 and 3, what is the common multiple? Think of your 3 and 5 timetable. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5, 10, 15. Can you see not? 15 is the common. So what you do? You use equivalent fraction. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. Can you see? All right. So only when they are talking about what? Children. Look, listen to me, please. All right. Only if you are talking about the same group of people, the children and the children, then you try to make what? You try to make the denominator the same. All right. Make denominator the same. All right. Because the denominator represents the what? The denominator represents the total. Right? Total must be the same. Is that okay? Okay. So now what happened? 6 out of 15 of them like basketball. That is what the question gives me. 5 out of 15 of them like volleyball. So here comes the question. Here comes the question. Are you ready? What fraction of pupils like softball? Children, do you know what's the meaning of 6 out of 15 or not? What does 6 out of 15 mean? This means 6 out of what? 15 equal units. All right, this means 6 out of 15 equal units. And what does this mean? This means 5 out of 15 equal units. Do you know that? All right, so if you really don't know, why not draw a model? All right, for example, out of 15 means so you have to draw what? 15 units, right? Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so I love to draw model. All right, in primary school, I love to draw model. All right, so out of 15, right, simply means that I have to cut it into 15 equal parts. Are you ready? Like this. And what did the question say? 6 out of 15 likes basketball. So basketball is B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 out of 15 like volleyball. Volleyball is V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what did the question say? Children, what did the question say? The question say that the rest of them like softball. So this is considered the rest. S, 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 S. So how many units like softball? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of what? 4 out of what? Remember the bottom? The bottom is always the total, right? So what's the total? The total down here got how many units? The total down here got 15 units. So the answer is what? 4 over 15. All right, this was the homework from last week, children. All right, can you try to understand? All right, sometimes, right, you need to draw model, you draw your model. It's very, very useful. Is that okay? All right, so children, can I get all of you to on your video, please? There's one student, IU, is it? Wei IU, is it? Yeah, can you please on your student? And yeah, okay. Where's Caleb? Caleb gone already. Oh no, where's Caleb? Okay, so children, this one understand or not? Can? All right, so every time you encounter fraction question, you must check, are they talking about the same group of people? If they are, then you can use this method. It's very useful. Draw your model, can? And last week, there's a few questions I haven't finished going through yet. Right, last week there's a few questions I haven't finished going through yet. All right, so let me finish going through them first. Right, then today, then we'll go into today's lesson. Can? Okay, come. Okay, so last week, question 8, 9, 10, I haven't finished yet. Let me just go through it first, quick. So down here we have Jessica. Jessica had a piece of ribbon measuring 10 meters. All right, so the ribbon, the total is 10 meters. What else? She used 3 meters 60 cm of the ribbon to wrap a box for a friend. It's like a present. What was the length of ribbon left? All right, very simple, very simple. All right, so this type of question, right, I will try to use what? I will try to use centimeter to assist me. I think it's a little bit safer. So 10 meter, right, I will change to what? Centimeter. 10 centimeter means 100. All right, remember the conversion? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Remember this? All right. So from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by a 10. Okay. So 10 meter means what? 1000 centimeter. How about 3 meter 60 cm? Remember the 3 meter? 3 meter is like 300 centimeter plus the 60 centimeter. That will be a 360 centimeter. Are you okay? So we have everything in centimeter, but the question is looking for left. What do? Simply just take 1000, which is what she has in the beginning, minus 360, what she used for her friend, and you will get an answer of 640 centimeter. All right, so 640 is actually the answer already, children. All right, 640 is actually the answer already. But the question wants it in meter and cm. Hello, Jane. Oh, that's you, Jane. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Jane, thank you for doing your homework also. I saw your worksheet entry. Very good. Thank you for trying to do your worksheet. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, so down here, 640 cm is the answer, but the question wants it in meter and centimeter. So how? Remember, down here, 640 is made out of 600 plus 40, right? So 600 is what? 6 meter. And 40 is 40 centimeter. And that's the reason why answer is 6 meter and 40 centimeter. Is that okay? All right, so this is from last week's work. This is from last week's work. Ken, I'm just going through last week's work. Let me go through question 8, 9, 10. Then we'll start on this week's work. Ken? Okay, part B. When wrapping the box, Jessica also used 250 cm of another string. Oh, there's another string. What was the total length of ribbon and string Jessica used to wrap the box? All right. So remember that Jessica, right, was using ribbon to wrap the box, right? So how much ribbon was used? How much ribbon was used? According to her, 360 cm of ribbon was used. Then because maybe the ribbon not nice enough, all right, not pretty enough. So she put in a bit of string to make the wrapping, to make the box more attractive. She put in another 250 centimeter. And here the question is asking, what is the total? What is the total ribbon and string? So you're supposed to add them. Can you see? All right, that will give you an answer of 610 centimeter. Is that true? Jessica also used 250 cm of another string. What was the total length of ribbon and string Jessica used to wrap the box? All right. So the calculation is 610. Is it correct? All right. Hello, Gisli. Hello. Okay, so let me just read the question again. She had a total of 10 meters. She used 360 cm of the ribbon to wrap a box. What was the length of the ribbon left? That is 640 is correct. When wrapping the box, Jessica also used 250 cm of another string. What was the total length of ribbon and string Jessica used to wrap the box? So answer is 610 centimeter is correct. Okay. So 610 again is made up of what? 600 plus 10. 600